In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Amazon voucher with ease. Whether you're new to Amazon or simply trying to make the most of your vouchers, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring it's as clear and straightforward as possible. Now, Amazon vouchers are a fantastic way to gift yourself or someone else, as they offer the flexibility to choose from a vast range of products on the platform. So let's dive into how you can redeem and use one effectively. First off, let's talk about redeeming your voucher. You can do this using either the Amazon website or the app, whichever is more convenient for you. If you're on the website, start by heading over to amazon.in voucher or the relevant Amazon domain for your country and log into your account. If you're using the app, simply open it and navigate to the Amazon Pay section. From there, make your way to gift cards and vouchers. Once you're in, look for the option that says Add Gift Card or Redeem a Gift Card. This is your golden ticket to unlocking the value of your voucher. Next, you'll want to carefully enter the voucher code. This is typically a 14-digit alphanumeric code, so take your time to ensure each character is correct. This little step is crucial because some vouchers might come with a reference ID that's different from the actual code, and any mix-up could lead to errors. After inputting the code, click on Add to your balance or Apply to your balance. With this, your voucher is redeemed and safely stored in your Amazon Pay balance. Ready for use. The next phase is to use this balance when making a purchase. Begin by adding the items you wish to buy to your cart. Once you have everything you need, proceed to checkout. Here's the magic part. The Amazon Pay balance, which now includes your redeemed voucher, will automatically apply to your order total. It's like a little bonus that reduces the amount you'll need to pay out of pocket. In case there's any remaining amount due, don't worry. Amazon lets you choose another payment method to cover the rest. Before we wrap up, here are a few things to keep in mind. Double-check the expiration date of your voucher to make sure it's still valid. Some vouchers might have restrictions on what products you can purchase, so it's always wise to review the terms and conditions tied to your specific voucher. With these tips in mind, you're all set to enjoy a seamless shopping experience using your Amazon voucher. Happy shopping!